everybody.
Welcome back to Andy&Han. Andrew's excited about this video. For this video, we are going to be showing you guys our favorite supplements, what they are and why we use them, and when we take them.
Make sure to subscribe and comment and like and follow us on Instagram and Twitter and the Facebooks, and don't forget to subscribe.
Alright guys, so the two brands we're mainly going to be talking about in this video are
Nutri-One
and FoxyFit, which is this protein
Pink
and these BCAAs. So Andrew's going to go first and tell you about one of his products and when he uses it, why he loves it, and what it is.
Stay right. Okay, so we all start our workouts with a pre-workout from Nutri-One. Nutri-One's Freedom Punch. It has a lot of caffeine. It gets you really, really energized before workout.
Gets you pumped.
Yeah. Maybe heard a little too much. She takes half a scoop, I take full scoop.
Ladies, it's safe, just take half a scoop.
It'll get you energized during your workout. You're not gonna see fatigue as quickly because like you're seriously on a caffeine. Like you basically just.
It's heartbreaking.
I don't take this every time. This is just if I'm exhausted, I need some extra kick, I need to go to the gym.
It's a lot of caffeine.
Boom, that's what I go to.
Okay, so he just shared his pre-workout. I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite products, BCAAs. So it's FoxyFit branched chain amino acids, that's what it's short for. And I'm going to actually read to you guys some of the benefits that I personally really take from BCAAs. And just so you know, like I'm not just like saying this, like I'm pulling it up on my phone. This is from
Women's Health.
Yeah. This is from Women's Health magazine. They did a whole article on BCAAs, and I found this specific article like really helpful. So basically, they call it a secret sauce for your workouts, and they literally help you. Here it says, here's why it's worth loading up on this nutrient, especially when eating around your workout. So within your workout, before, during, after, like around that time, BCAAs can help promote muscle growth and repair and reduce muscle soreness after exercise. And BCAA leucine specifically, they help you feel more full by improving sensitivity to the hunger hormone leptin. And then other research indicates that it helps promote fat burning and balances your blood sugar levels. And that's important because imbalanced blood sugar levels can lead to weight gain. So that basically is going to, all that, what I just said, is for me, it helps reduce my muscle soreness. So I'm feeling stronger. I'm gonna knock out every workout better than I did the last time. And it's also helping me with hunger. I'm not feeling as hungry because it's keeping me more full, and it's also promoting fat burning. This really, really helps me a lot. BCAAs are also found in chicken and fish and all different kinds of things. So it's very natural, it's good for you. It's kind of like protein. When you up your workouts, you want to up your intake in protein, and that's why you do protein powder. Well, one of the reasons.
Our bodies need BCAAs. We get BCAAs out of our food.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not.
Like we don't naturally produce it. So we need to be eating it.
And we do. We eat it, and it's in our meats, and it's in
our stuff.
It's in the food
but
that
this
we
will
eat.
be more.
So it's not. We're not adding something to our body that isn't supposed to be added. So
Yeah, that's my FoxyFit BCAAs.
BCAAs, totally.
Ladies and men, this is going to help you so much throughout your
Good
workouts.
segue to men. Speaking of men can drink BCAAs too. This is what I drink. Same thing, literally the same thing. This is blue raspberry. It's really good. Well, I'm sorry, blue ras slushy. Blue ras slushy. I really like this flavor. It's the same thing as the FoxyFit. Does the same thing. You know, me specifically. So when I like to do a lot of weightlifting. I would say I don't know.
Yeah.
I do more weightlifting than her. That's my primary workout. So when you do lift weights, when you do lift heavier weights than normal, your muscles fatigue. You need a source of energy. You need the protein. It's protein. There's BCAAs. It's going to help recover your muscles, help fatigueness during a workout. Relieve you of any what's the word? I forgot it. Soreness. relieve you of any soreness after a workout that you may experience the next day. Because there is glutamine in this. Yes, glutamine. That is you can go to a supplement store and buy glutamine pills, like specifically to target soreness. But BCAAs have it.
All in one?
All in one, baby. This is for any first time. Yeah, I would say for any first time people working out there and trying to get a supplement, this is like 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Get this before anything.
Yeah. BCAAs and protein powder are like the top two.
Yeah, but get BCAAs. Get BCAAs. Get BCAAs. If you're gonna work out and you're gonna get something, you go into a supplement store, you go in and say, I want some BCAAs. Okay? I take my BCAAs during the workout. So it's like flavored water. It's great. It's awesome.
During your workout is the best time to take
Our 2 commenters, comment below.
Shut up. During the workout is the best time to take them. So take them. I make them right before my workout. I start taking them 10 minutes before, drink them all during, and then maybe have a little bit left for 10 minutes after.
And honestly,
and that's what I do.
No, you can. But here's the beauty of this: you can drink these whenever you want.
Yeah, you can. So like you can drink them whenever you want, but like if you're looking to target while you're working out, if you're looking to actually specifically target the fat instead of muscle burning and all that stuff, you're gonna want to take it during.
Yeah, take it during the workout if you're gonna work out. If you're not gonna work out that day, but you're gonna be active, you're gonna be on your feet all day or something.
Still drink them.
Dude, make a big jug of this and just drink it all day. It's so good.
The next product that I'm going to be sharing is the protein powder from FoxyFit. This is the chocolate flavor. I use vanilla, chocolate, and caramel mocha.
How are
So they're really good. So caramel, they're all used in different ways. So
what's your favorite? They want to know.
I'm gonna slap him.
They want to know.
So caramel mocha I use for like a coffee drink, like a coffee latte or smoothie. I'll mix it in with my coffee. Like that's what I use for my caramel mocha one. The vanilla one I use mainly if I'm doing protein pancakes or if I'm doing a fruit smoothie or mixing it in with yogurt. Chocolate I use for chocolate protein pancakes and just a chocolate like protein shake that I drink. So
for your chocolate pancakes.
Anyway, that's what I use.
Wow.
For the different flavors. Protein powder is really, really amazing for post-workout. So I will drink my BCAAs during my workout and then I'll come home and then I'll make some type of post-workout protein. So whether that is a chocolate protein shake, protein pancakes, protein yogurt, whatever, that's what I'm gonna have post-workout because that's going to help my muscles repair and help my whole body with all the working out that I'm doing repair faster and make just speed the process up by like 100%. So that is why I love taking this post-workout. Post-workout is so important, just as important as pre-workout and during the workout, post-workout. You have to make sure to get this in, an hour, within the hour after your workout.
Yeah, within an hour of working out.
That's what we're gonna share. One more thing that I wanted to share about this protein powder is that it includes biotin. So if you don't know what biotin is,
specifically
for women, specifically FoxyFit brand has biotin in their protein powder. So that helps your hair, skin, and nails grow. And I know a lot of people like my mom and a lot of other women take biotin, just tablets or pills or chewables, whatever, and it's helping your hair, skin, and nails grow. This has it in it. So, that's a 2-in-1 right there. That's why FoxyFit is a protein for her. Like it's specifically pink, like for women, all that stuff, because it has biotin in it. And men, yes, they can use it, but for women, we like to take biotin and do all that. So they've already included in that. I absolutely love FoxyFit because BCAAs are colorless, differentiate themselves from every other company. Like their BCAAs do not include toxic dyes and all that stuff, so it's very natural. And their protein powder has biotin and is also very natural. So I like more natural-based products. I don't like when it has all the extra chemicals and dyes. So that's why I love FoxyFit's specific brand for things and I recommend it to everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's finish this out. The last product we are going to share with you guys is something that we both use all the time. It is the NutraOne Ideal Greens.
Yeah, chocolate flavor for her, and I have my own berry flavor. So there's 2 flavors. 2 flavors.
They're really good. So I like the chocolate one specifically because I can mix this in my protein shakes, but a lot of the times, if you guys see my Instagram story, I do what's called a greens shot. So basically I don't eat a lot of vegetables. I need to more, but I don't like vegetables. If you know me or what I've talked about, I don't like vegetables. This helps me get my intake of vegetables in. So I will pour this with some water and chug it, and just throw it back like a shot. So
really good.
It's not bad at all. Since it's chocolate flavored and his as well, berry flavored, it's really, really good. really good for you. Some of the benefits is it's going to decrease bloating, it's going to help your skin, and it's going to just make you feel so much better because these have antioxidants in it. So yeah, make your digestive system work a little bit more, and it's going to help you from not getting sick because it's going to help your body stay healthy.
Your immune system. It's everything you hear. It's basically a can of spinach.
I'm just gonna read you guys some of the things that are in this. Okay, so it has grass blend, wheatgrass, barley grass, alfalfa leaf, oat fiber, spirulina. I can't pronounce that. Spirulina, flaxseed, spinach, parsley, chlorella, aloe vera, inner leaf concentrate, broccoli, kale, green cabbage. That's the greens. And then it has a bunch of fruits like beet, peach, organic, raspberry, cranberry,
etc.
Strawberry, blackberry,
lots of fruits, lots of vegetables.
A lot of vegetables.
You're getting
that's what's in this.
Awesome energy, awesome organic energy.
It's good, guys. It's so good for you.
It's an easy, you wake up in the morning, that's the first thing you drink.
Makes you feel so much better, like amazing.
But yeah, so that was the last one. So this is, we drink a pre-workout.
And then we take our bcaas during the workout. Post-workout, protein.
Bam. And in the morning,
we do greens. This is our lovely nutrient stack of supplements.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
I hope this video helps, guys. I know I get so many questions, and so does he, about what we take, why we take it, and why it's helpful. I honestly have seen the progress that I've seen with my workouts from not taking supplements to taking supplements has been absolutely incredible, and I am not one for quick fixes or supplements with all this like extra chemicals and bad stuff for you. I'm very natural, and these, I'm telling you, are very natural, very effective. I've been taking them for over a year now, so they're absolutely amazing. We just want to shout out some few people. So I want to shout out 5-Star Nutrition, Total Nutrition, and Jay for being awesome and just introducing us into these products like a year ago and helping us get into them and understand what they are and being amazing. So that's what we use.
And Nutri-One, if you're watching.
Nutri-One and FoxyFit, again, are the brands. If you want to look into getting them, please message us and let us know. We can get you guys discount codes for 30% off of whatever you guys want. So let us know.
True.
And using our names, if you contact us, we can get you guys set up with free shipping.
We can share the hookup. Just
free shipping and 30% off of whatever you want. So those are what we use and why we use it. If you are interested, let us know. But otherwise, just for fun, that's what we use.
Keep on grinding.
Yeah. Thanks guys for watching.
Bye.
Peace out.